Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like garnish and fruit carvings, will you please to subscribe our channel? Okay, let's watch these events about celebrations in our village. We have researched how to arrange the fruits in dragon shapes. We mix the head of the dragons from the cement papers and styrofoam, some of fruits, apples, orange, snake fruits, grape, pineapple, cover the body of the dragons. And the results of these events get the first champions. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you